In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Chrome bookmarks quickly and easily so you can save a backup, move them to a new computer, or import them into another browser later. This is one of those simple Chrome tricks that can save you a lot of time if you've built up a lot of saved links over the years. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to go straight to your Bookmarks Manager. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and O at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Option, and B. That keyboard shortcut opens the Bookmark Manager instantly, which is where Chrome keeps all of your saved bookmarks and folders. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a three-dot menu there. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, click Export Bookmarks. Chrome will now ask you where you want to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer that's easy to remember, like Downloads or Desktop, so you can find it later if you need it. After selecting the location, save the file. Chrome will export your bookmarks as an HTML file, and the default file name is usually Bookmarks.html. That file contains all of your saved bookmarks, along with your folders and links, so it works as a full backup of your bookmark collection. This is especially useful if you're switching browsers, setting up a new computer, or just want a safe copy in case anything ever gets deleted by mistake. And that's it. You've now exported your Chrome bookmarks successfully. If this video helped you out, please tap the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.